Model, 60-plate Peugeot Boxer 335 long wheelbase, 34k low miles IDESL camper conversion no VAT bargain. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 34,665. MOT, the 9th of June 2025. Engine, 2198cc PUMA HDI 120E4A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear seating area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Well looked after van and first to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, aircon, electric windows. EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.